Hi, I'm Trevor Ebinger, manager of Manion Lumber and Truss in Pillager, Minnesota. For 30 years, Manion's has proudly manufactured roof and floor trusses for retail lumber yards throughout Minnesota and the Dakotas. For a little over 4 years now, we have been using the Retro C component saw, and it has been amazing. We are so happy with it that we just purchased a second unit, and we will be installing a third. For us, the speed of the Retro C is what really sets it apart from the competition. When the rep told us that the saw could cut up to 100 boards a minute, we were skeptical. But after owning one and now a second, we are believers. Our operators love the ease and setup of operation. The reliability of the Retro C has been excellent. Downtime has been minimal, and the support staff gets us up and running again quickly and efficiently. As a manager, I love the speed and reliability. For anyone considering purchasing a Retro C component saw, I would say your manufacturing should not be limited to the ability of your component saw. Don't wait to get one of these into your facility.